We are the Greatful Head Hair Company, and we pride ourselves in doing all hair types. Living in a refugee city, there's a lot of different types of people, and with a lot of different types of people, you have a lot of different hair types. And one thing that we really pride ourselves in here is working with all different types of hair textures and curl patterns. We have 8 different stylists who are all really talented in their craft, so no matter whose chair you sit in, you will leave happy. If you're not sure what's best suited for you and your hair type, you can come on down for a free consultation anytime. We're open 7 days a week by appointment only, but you can self-book online with just an hour in advance to get yourself a same-day appointment. Be sure to come down and see us at the Greatful Head. We're a full-service men's and women's salon located at 1724 Bleecker Street in Utica, New York. Our phone number is 315-864-8998. We hope to see you soon.